Alright guys, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be discussing Litecoin. Litecoin is basically they want to be Bitcoin, um, but um, but yeah, we'll go over what they are. They're right now at a $5.5 billion market cap, 456,000 million in volume, which is 138% up. Well, that's incredible. Total supply is 84 million. Max supply is 34 million. Uh, so yeah, I mean, it's really down from its all-time high of 412. From the all-time low, it started at one. It looks like $1.11, and it's up 6,500%. This past year, it is down 20%, which is really bad. Considering everything we kind of seen recently has been up. We can see here, uh, it's down, it's up, still 1,000%, which is really good. I'm not gonna complain about that, but the all-time high was back here in 2021, and it's crashed down ever since. So let's see what they are. Litecoin is one of those coins that I remember when my dad first started in crypto. This was one of the coins that he was like, "Hey, what do you think about this one?" And I really hadn't, studied it until, now. And the founder, this I didn't know. His name is Charlie Lee, a software engineer from Google, then director of engineering at Coinbase. So this guy, he's been around. He's been around crypto and kind of everything. So I think that's good. Uh, that's definitely a huge positive. So basically, Litecoin is a cryptocurrency that was designed to provide fast, secure, and low-cost payments by leveraging the unique properties of blockchain technology. So, like I said, the cryptocurrency was created based on the Bitcoin protocol, but it differs in terms of the hashing algorithm used, hard cap, block transaction times, and a few other factors. Litecoin has a block time of just 2.5 minutes and extremely low transaction fees, making it suitable for microtransactions and point of sales payments. So basically, what they're trying to say is Bitcoin is expensive and slow, Litecoin is faster and cheaper. And that is true. We can see here with the analytics. The average transaction fee is less than a cent. It's a 0.004. Uh, no whales, majority of the addresses holding 97% are 0 to 1K. We see the whale holdings here, but that's something I want to discuss now. And it looks like it's really not decentralized, but secure and anonymous. And we can see here some exchanges delisted it from their exchange in South Korea because they basically need to mitigate money laundering and illicit activities at all cost. So it looks like it was too privacy and too anonymous for the exchanges in South Korea, and basically they banned it. So I think that's good. I don't know. I don't know what you guys might think of that, but let's go here. Basically, like most of the top cryptos that we've seen so far on the channel are basically owned by Binance. Binance has 26%, 14, 8. Down here they have one more. So was that almost 40% of the supply is run by Binance. Um, thank God CC is coming out soon because, yeah, it's kind of crazy. Binance basically controls majority of crypto. I mean, at least here in the top, the top. What is this episode 19, 20? So, at least in the top 20, Binance kind of controls everything. uh, what is interesting though, and I found this site. It is kind of new. I mean, at least it says it's like work in progress. See, like the largest guesstimate wallets doesn't really show me, but when I go here by the richest LTC addresses, percentage of coins, it only has 3.35%, and this address is not the same as this address. So I'm no internet detective, obviously. I could be wrong, but something just doesn't make sense to me. How is this the richest address and it has 2 million Litecoin, but here it has way less? Maybe they're spread out, but it says how. Well, I don't know. Internet detectives could definitely help me out there. But this, it looks like this app, not this app, this website is like for Litecoin. Kind of still laggy. It's in beta, you see. So, anyways, this is the website. Another website that doesn't have much. I was able to find the projects that they're working on. They have here like a wallet, the Lightning Network. Uh, this is like kind of the marketplace for tokens and NFTs. But that's basically it. I didn't see anything else that's kind of new and anything that's different. It is a proof of work. Obviously, it was based off of Bitcoin, so that's big. One big thing, Fidelity. You could basically buy Bitcoin, Litecoin, in Fidelity, which is pretty interesting to say the least. I don't know if they have a partnership or they receive some Litecoins, but they tell you the positives and the negatives and everything. So it looks, I mean, if Fidelity has Litecoin, I don't see why they would want to crash it and let it burn. So I could only say this is a good thing. And I found this guy here on Twitter says, I don't know if you guys can see it really clear, but it says Litecoin is the cryptocurrency most commonly used for transactions. I wish I was there listening to what they were saying, so I could know what transactions they are and what they're being used for. But from what I found, their transaction fees are only 752, which I don't understand how it's that low. I understand the fees are that low, but if there's this much volume and you times it 0.00, like it doesn't add up. So I don't know if this number is wrong or I'm just stupid, but this is no bueno for any blockchain. And I know, blockchains are meant to be used to, store and send money, but they also need to, there has to be an incentive for miners to mine. And that's with the fees. They get a percentage, like they sell their Litecoin for a fee and whatnot. And this is just not that much. So how are they making money? I really do not know. And we can see here too, like ROI. This is, I love Misari. You know, in the last year, down 20% against Bitcoin 65, against Ethereum 54, against DeFi 65. So it's just like not like you see their volume. They have a lot of volume, but I really don't understand how. I'm trying to understand why this is happening, but I really don't know. So if anyone in the chat wants to let me know, in the comment section wants to let me know why this is, please, please, please help me out. But yeah, I think that's about it for Litecoin. I personally, I just think there's more coins that I like than Litecoin. I think it's gonna keep going down. I don't see why anyone would use this. I know people use it for transactions, and that's kind of what the tweet said. But we have Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin, and I really think it's gonna fall off the top 25 to say the least. So, anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. And anyways, have a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.